At Olua, Iheya, Uselu and Agawa primary schools, Iyoba Girls College, amongst others, in the metropolis, no Ebola preventive gadgets were provided at the schools as the teachers went about their duties, imparting knowledge on students. Although the turnout in most schools was low, apparently for lack of facilities to fight Ebola virus in case of an outbreak, some students and staff of the schools wondered why the government is here to provide the facilities.
They told us that before we resume that they'll be able to bring the equipment that we used to prevent it, but yet we've not even seen it in our school, and we are begging the state government, so please bring it, because we need it so that we will not have the Ebola virus, because it's very dangerous to our health.
To tell the current governor that we want him to give us bucket water that we can use to wash our hands before we can enter inside the class. We are pleading to him because we don't want to catch Ebola.
For now, we've not seen anything, but I know there's adequate arrangement being on ground.
If Aguinede can come with any of you, the president, let them come and see. I'm a teacher in the school. At least at the branch chairman, we have gone around with nothing on ground. So the honorable commissioner, well, is just telling lies.
Some parents who commented on the situation described the assurances for provision of Ebola preventive measures by the Edo State Commissioners of Education, most especially that of Basic Education, Mr. Patrick Aguinede, who was on national television program, as a pathetic lie aimed at creating an impression that the state government has provided the gadget, which it has not.
We are all politicians, and if he wants to use the life of people to politic, it's dangerous. And that is why I'm encouraging parents. They should not allow their children to go to school yet until those things are put in place. I think it's just a political statement.
If the public officer of a high caliber of a commissioner has come out to say they are on ground and they are not on ground, then he has done very wrong to the extent, because when we talk of Ebola, it's a killer disease. It's not even good for adults not to talk of children.
We all believe that there's no facility or ground before resumption date. It's like they just want the student to go back to school without putting unnecessary things in place. The program is okay, but the operator at times, they are not carrying out the program the way it should be. So my belief is that all facilities should be in place first before they should allow the children to go back to school.
The Commissioner for Basic Education, Mr. Patrick Aguinede, could not be reached to substantiate his claim that government has put in place measures to prevent Ebola in schools, as calls put across to his cell phone went unanswered. However, the leadership of Edo State Wing of Nigerian Union of Teachers has given 1 week ultimatum to government to provide Ebola preventive measures, failing which the teachers will dan tools. Wellington Kodeja reporting.